This is front, this is back. So I'm saying this is your fabric. You have laid it, and this is your selvage. This is the center fold. Yes or no? Yes. So if I'm telling you to cut on the straight grain, what that means is your grain line on the pattern that is going straight must be parallel to the self edge. Do you understand? So this is your grain line. It's saying from here to here, cut on fold. Yes or no? Yes. So this will be parallel to the self edge. And when we say parallel, this straight line that is coming, if you measure from here to here, if it's 10, if you go to from here to here at the end of the paper, it has to be 10. So we are saying parallel is that this grain line and the self, they will not meet. When you say something is parallel to each other, if I am walking at a parallel distance to her, so if you are walking like this at 10 centimeters, till we get to Ibadan, we will still be 10 centimeters. So that means we are walking parallel to each other. We will not meet. Do you understand? So that's why we are saying this grain line is parallel to the self edge. That's straight grain. So if you are saying we want to cut this same fabric on the cross grain, so what does that mean is our grain line will now change direction. So this is now cross, and that is this our grain line will be perpendicular to the self edge. It's going to form like a letter T. This is letter T. This is our self edge. This is our grain line. So we are saying it's marked now, parallel line and perpendicular line. So this is our grain line is going to be perpendicular to what? To the self edge. That is what? Cutting on the cross grain. And I said the last one is what? The bias grain. So and when we say bias, we have identified that bias is we are cutting on angle what? 45 degrees. Yes or no?
Yes.
So and the interpretation of that is that this your grain line that is on your pattern. If you are saying you are cutting to 45, this is 45 degrees angle. Yeah, earlier I asked that from here to here is angle what? 90. If you divide this angle into two, that means this side will be 45, this side will be 45. So that means your grain line here has to be in the middle of that 45, parallel. Do you understand? At 45. So can you see this? So this is cutting on 45 degrees. Do you understand me?
Yes.
This is cutting on 45 degrees, bias grain. This is cutting on a straight grain line parallel to the self edge. And this is what? Cutting on the cross grain line perpendicular to the self edge. Finish.